Hello everyone, I've got mail and I'm in front of the camera. You don't see that very often, do you? I need to get in front of the camera more often, but anyway, here I am and I managed to get in front of the camera with my boxes. Now, these are all from Let's Resin. This one's already opened because I didn't realise it was from Let's Resin until I opened it. But I know what this one is. I'm not sure. I think I know what this one is. So shall we open them and see? Right, okay. We'll start with the small one. I hope you can see all right from over there. Oh, it looks like Honey's got in on the occasion. Hello, Honey. Hello, Honey. You want to know what's inside? It's not for you. Come on. That's what I thought it was. I think. Yes, it is the Daniel Cooper epoxy resin kit, which I've been wanting to try. And yeah, let's see if I can. I'll open it. I'll show you what's inside it when I use it very soon. Okay, so that's my Daniel Cooper resin kit from Let's Resin. So I've also got 2 new moulds. Thank you, Honey. Honey, do you mind? Do you mind? Excuse me. So I have a frog. Don't know if you can see it very well. You won't really know what it looks like until I've made one, because I don't either. And look at this big lizard. Woo! Oh, I'm gonna have such fun. Now then, are we ready? Okay. Okay, I think I'm gonna have to. This means business, this big package. I've got my steak knife and it's doing the job nicely. Okay. Right. You probably can't see now. It's so big. Hang on. Right. That's okay. It's in a smaller box. So we'll get the smaller box out. Oh. Sorry, Honey. Right. That's a bit more manageable, isn't it? Oh, I got down here. I'm never going to get back up again now. Okay. Right. Let's see. It's rather big, isn't it? Let's have a look. See what kind of mould could be this big. Not very good at this, being in front of the camera. There, can you see? Ooh. Yeah. Okay. So here's a clue. We have 4 legs, 3 legs. 3 legs, I can't count yet. 3 legs. You know what it is, because you probably read it on the box. We've got... Oh, wow. It's deeper than I expected. We've got a tabletop mould. How cool is that? Think of the things I'm going to be able to make with this. Wow. And as always, we have our instructions. Let's Resin always send things with detailed instructions and information on everything they've got. It's so cool. So yeah, how big is this? I'm not sure. Let's have a look. 19.68 inches diameter. And I've got a use for this, which I've got some big news to tell you. Big news that's going to be something that's going to be needing tables. That's all I'll say. You'll find out soon. And I bet you can't guess. So yeah, my fabulous mould. I don't want to touch it too much and get my fingerprints on it, but you will be seeing me use this very soon. Thank you ever so much, as always, for all my goodies, Let's Resin, and I can't wait to use them. And I will see you soon. Bye.